Hello. Hi, hi, hi. How are you? Hey, it's great. Nice to hear that. Ah, oh, you want to visit my home today? Cool, cool, cool. What is that you want me to prepare? Something very traditional and also something in the coastal region. Oh, of Karnataka. Ah, okay, okay. Just a second. Okay, thought someone was calling. Okay, okay. So why can't we prepare this? Okay, why can't you get me Tondekai? You know Tondekai? Ivy God? Perfect. So that is a Mangalorean dish that they do. It's a vegetarian dish basically. Yeah, we can prepare that one. Nice. Tondekai Huli Menasu. Ivy God sabji. Yeah, it's more. It won't be a gravy. It will be a bit watery. Yeah, that's what I have seen. It will have coconut in it, grated coconut. Then you have ghee or the tamarind. It will be tangy. It will be good for the palate. And also this vegetable, right? Ivy God or the Tondekai, it's very healthy. It has got medicinal value. True, true, true. Hey, join man. It would be nice. I can prepare it. It won't take much time. So with the rice you can have, I can eat the rice. Yeah, it will be good. Yeah, fantastic. After a long time you're coming, and it will be a good one. Even I want to, go for a different dish altogether. And this one came across very interesting. True, true, true. It will be good. Yeah. Then we can have some fun. We can talk. We can, watch some videos. We can spend some valuable time. Then in the evening, you can leave if you want. Yeah, always you will be welcome. Great. Thank you, man. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi viewers, welcome back. Nice to meet you again. Today the dish is going to be Mangalorean dish. First you need to smash the ivy gourd, the Tondekai, wash it, smash it, and you need jeera for about a teaspoon. Then you need the chili powder, turmeric 1 teaspoon, and similarly turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, then mustard for tempering, as well as garlic is also for tempering, that adds a lot of flavor into it. As I told before that you need to have 1.5 tablespoon of rice, raw rice, that you need to slightly just heat it on the pan, so that rawness, that raw smell goes off. Imli, tamarind, just one small ping pong ball size, that should be enough. And grated coconut. Add water, boil it. When it boils, add the chili powder, add the turmeric powder, a little bit of salt, so that it gets into that the vegetable or the ivy gourd. Once that is done, once it gets boiled, it will be properly boiled. Then keep it aside. Get the coconut, the grated coconut, along with the tamarind, and that rice, whatever you have just heated, just add that one into a mixie and grind it into a paste. Let it get boiled once again.
And you need to have 2 cups of water to add. Let it boil. Let me add a little bit of turmeric as well as the chili. Already it is there. Let it boil. Once we finish all the tampering of mustard, everything is done, then you need to drizzle the coconut oil. It adds the flavor at the end. So coconut oil a little bit, that would add flavor to it. In the meantime, let me stir it properly. This will go good when you take this with rice, and even when you have plain rice, or if you're making upma or chocho bath, to an extent it will go good because it adds that watery stuff and it becomes easy to, it adds that flavor to the palate.
We are done, and how beautiful it has come out. It's simple to make. You also make at your home and comment.